y'all, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, or welcome. My name is Sele Kalio, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for stopping by. So I'm just going to quickly show you a simple recipe on body scrub. It's a simple, very easy body scrub that you can use to remove dark spots on your body. You can use it to clear out any form of discoloration on your skin, exfoliate your skin if you have dark feet, dark knees, dark underarm, dark thighs. You know, it's very good for hyperpigmentation and discoloration, and generally exfoliating your skin. So I'm going to first of all introduce you to our ingredients. This is the salt that we're going to be using. Isn't that beautiful? See how beautiful it is. So this salt has vitamin C. It says it detoxes, remove odor, it refreshes and moisturizes the skin. It has orange extract, it has deep sea mineral salt, essential oils, potassium sorbate, and so many others. And it promotes blood circulation, cleanses the skin, nourishes the skin, soothes the skin. The benefits are endless, guys. The benefits are endless. This is our main product that we're going to be using for this recipe or for this simple video. And then I'm also going to my cocoa butter, and I'm also going to be using my avocado butter. Now you can go ahead to use shea butter, you can use mango butter, you can use cocoon butter, you can use any kind of butter that you like, but for this video I'm going to be using cocoa butter and avocado butter. This recipe I'm going to be doing for myself, so I'm going to be using, because I want it to have like a soapy effect, I'm going to also add this shower gel to it as well. If you are interested in seeing how I make this video and how I make this product, you definitely want to watch this video to the end. And if you haven't subscribed up till now, I don't know what you're waiting for. Please take this time, hit the subscribe button down below. That's the red button down below. Hit that button, hit the thumbs up button, so that YouTube would know that you guys like these videos and they will keep recommending it to others, and we'll keep growing. And also leave your comments down below, turn on the notification bell so you will be notified every time there's a new upload coming from me. I'm going to start with our cocoa butter. So I will take out a small quantity of our cocoa butter. Don't worry, this recipe I'm not really doing any serious measurements and all that. I'm just going to go straight into the video, and I'm just going to go straight and just take some. So I'm just going to go straight and take a small quantity of butter, because this is just what I want to use for this week, so I don't want it to be too much. I don't know if you get me. So I will just go ahead and put that in there. So I have been so busy with orders. I've been getting a lot of bulk orders, and I'm really grateful, guys. You guys have been amazing. I'm really grateful. I've been getting a lot of bulk orders, so I haven't had time for myself. I haven't been feeling, I haven't been having time for myself. So let me just do that. I haven't been having time for myself, so I decided to, pamper myself a bit this evening, because I'm actually filming this at night. So that I can do this and then have my bath and then go to bed, So I'm just going to use that much, because this is something that I want to use for this week alone. And you can exfoliate your skin up to 3 times a week if you don't have sensitive skin, that is. But if your skin is sensitive, then you definitely want to exfoliate just once a week. if you don't have sensitive skin and you don't have oily skin as well, you can also exfoliate 2 to 3 times a week. Just find what works for you, that's all. So here, this is our butter. I'm just going to go ahead now and melt down our butter and then come back and continue with the video. And we are back. So I have melted my butters. This is my avocado butter and my cocoa butter. I have melted it down, and now I'm just going to go ahead and add in my other ingredients. Now I'm going to be using Snow White powder as well, because I want this to be a whitening scrub. I want you know, to have that white effect. Now a lot of you would say, oh, my products are not working, my cream is not giving me what I want. The reason why your creams are not giving you, or your products are not working the way you want them to work, is because you have dead skin on your skin. So if you don't take out those dead skin, your products cannot penetrate into your skin. I don't know if I'm making sense, if you understand what I mean. So it'll just be like having, you know how fish has scales on the body, and then you're trying to put something on it to penetrate to the skin. It barely works. So you definitely want to exfoliate, and exfoliate regularly. You have to exfoliate at least 2 times at least once a week, at least once a week. But if you're like me and your skin, you don't have any issues with sensitivity or any of that, you want to exfoliate at least 2 to 3 times a week. Now you don't have to exfoliate every day, but just try to do it at least once a week if you can. And also if you are exfoliating your skin and you start having cuts and bruises, you want to give your skin time to rest and heal before you go ahead to exfoliating again, if that makes sense. So moving on, now I'm going to add my sea salt, or my bath salt, and this is the vitamin C bath salt. It is it has vitamin C in it, and you know what vitamin C does to your skin. So I'm just going to wing it and take a little quantity, and it also has some particles in it. I don't know what those things are. So I'm just going to wing it and, you know, add some of that into my butter. This is a 1/4 spoon I'm using. So I'm just going to add that and then mix it up to see if the consistency is up to what I want. Now, because I'm still going to use my shower gel, because I want this to give me a foaming effect, because I'm still going to use my shower gel, I'm going to add some more bath salt. Now remember guys, you can use sugar for this as well. You can use sugar for this as well. So I have the consistency that I need now. Before I go ahead to mix it thoroughly, because I definitely am going to make a mess here, I want to add my Snow White powder. Now for my Snow White powder, I'm going to be using my 1/8 cup, and I'm just going to wing it and just add that much into this. Now, like I said, I don't have like a recipe for this. I'm just, you know, mixing and pouring. So for this recipe, you are allowed, or for this video or for this product, you are allowed to mix and pour. So I'm just going to mix that all up, making sure that everything is well mixed. Now I use the butters because I want to have not just exfoliate my skin, but also to moisturize my skin as well, to lock in moisture, to make my skin soft and all of that. So here, this is what we have right now. I'm just going to put this aside. Now, if you want to buy this sea salt, I have them, so many of them for sale. I have them here for sale. I also have the shower gel. I have the honey, the honey one. So if you are interested, you can get that. Now I'm going to go ahead and also add some clay, because I don't only want to exfoliate my skin, I also want to, you know, use the clay to purify my skin. So I'm going to be using bentonite clay, just a very tiny bit in this product. I'm going to use just a tiny bit, just that. So this is the shower gel that I want to use. I'm using this because, you know, it has carrot extract, it lightens the skin as well, and it's a very good product. It contains carrot whitening extract. It can clear away, you know, dirt from the skin, greases. It whitens the skin. It provides nutrition and water necessary to the skin. It enhances the elasticity of the skin and keeps it moist. And that is exactly what I'm going for, to keep my skin moist. Okay, so this is what the shower gel looks like. I'm just going to pour a little bit into my scrub. So as you can see, I have added my shower gel, and ooh, this is pretty, and it is giving me what I want. I don't want it to be too thick. I want it to be as generous as possible. I want to be able to walk it around my body without hurting myself. So this is a good consistency, but I think I put too much shower gel, but it's fine. It's okay. So yes, this is my whitening body scrub. Now you can also use this on your face, and it is best to massage it and scrub for at least 2 to 5 minutes if you can. If you can even leave the scrub on your body for a while, for up to 10 minutes, that's fine too. So this is what I have. We have my exfoliating whitening body scrub that can be used on the face and on the body. So before you use this, because of the powder, that the Snow White powder that we put in it and we didn't dissolve it, you want to keep it for a while so that the powders can completely dissolve and then mix in properly. This is just a quick video that I decided to make. I hope that this will help somebody. You know, it's very good to exfoliate your skin. Really good to exfoliate your skin. You don't want to skip this process in your skincare regimen. Even my little kid loves to scrub his knees because he's always on the floor. So he understands the importance of exfoliation. So yeah, this is the product. This is what we have, and I hope that you enjoyed this video. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, please take this time to subscribe and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I put up a new video, because I have very nice recipes coming out every Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. We also have weekend videos, which are like random videos that I just upload on here. But for tutorials and how-tos, you definitely want to hit the notification bell so you get more recipes. Or if you want to go have this for professional purposes, you want to sell it to your clients, you can definitely sell this to your clients as well. Just make sure that you formulate it properly. And if you want to learn how to formulate a proper recipe, how to use your ingredients, what ingredients you should be using and why you should be using them, and then also free recipes, definitely you want to get my ebook. The ebook retails for selling at 5,000 naira, and that will be $13.72 or 70 cents, and it is available for sale on sale rather till the end of December. Once we get to January, we will go back to our regular price. So you want to definitely take advantage of this product, this sale, to get your own ebook. You really want to get your products from me and also get your ebooks so that you will be on your way to becoming your own skincare boss. Thank you so much once again for watching. See how beautiful this is. Thank you so much for watching. I can't wait to have this on my skin. So I'm just going to take my scrub, put it in this beautiful container right here. It has a cover, lid, and this is what it looks like. And we have it for sale in different sizes. We have the small ones. This is a 300-gram container. We have 50 grams, we have 250 grams. We have them in so many sizes. If you want to get it, definitely leave me a message on my WhatsApp using the link in the description bar to send me a WhatsApp message to order for this. I sell them in dozens. Whatever quantity you want, you can get it from me. Okay, so I'm just going to pour my scrub into the container. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.